Hello students, let us make a full function that is going to freeze your first row as well as that is going to produce the header row. What we have in the coding is the function create headers. We're having spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet. We're having the variable sheet here. You're going to have get sheets, that is you're going to access the first sheet of your spreadsheet. Other is sheet.setFrozenRows1, that it is going to freeze your first row. Now let us have the values of the headers, that is we are going to have, you just delete this, you are going to have the values, that is variable values is equal to the first name. You write here the first name, the last name, other you write here the email, another thing you're having here is the phone number, another thing is the company, the other thing is the notes. So you're having the headers here, that is first name, last name, email, phone number, company and notes. You're going to put them in the inverted commas. Now we have to set the range of cells. For example, we are going to have the headers at row 81 to F1. You're having this range of cells, and when you are going to save this and to run this, it has to create the first row, that is the freezed one. Look, it is the freezed one. It is not going to move. It is not going to move anywhere. That is when you are going to scroll it down or upwards. When you are going to run it again by saving it, then you will have all the headers and the range values here. So this is a way how you can collectively call the methods to create and to set the headers for your spreadsheet. Thank you.